Imagine if Sherlock Holmes had a laptop, drank 3 cups of coffee an hour, and is parking Python. Or if Iron Man drops out his superhero's coat to analyze cat memes on the internet. Yep, that is pretty much a data science. But wait, what even is a data science? Let's find out. There is no perfect answer. Everyone seems to define it a little differently. Some people think it is all about machine learning, others think it is statistics in a hood. But once my guy named Josh Will said best, a data scientist is someone who is better at statistics than any software engineer, and they're better at software engineering than any statistician. Basically, it's someone who uses data to ask smart questions and get useful answer. They build models, immerse data, write code, and they try to make sense of the chaos. They don't just look at data, they interrogate. Let's talk about big data because it's very big. There are 3 main V's you hear a lot. Volume, a ton of data. Velocity, data coming fast. Variety, data from everywhere. Think of it like this. Back in 2003, all humans had 25 exabytes of data ever. Now we make that every 2 days. Boom. Why? Because we track everything. GPS from your phone, likes and views on your social media, Fitbit steps, even your fridge might be spying on you. These days, it's all about finding patterns. With more computing power, data science can now use hundreds of variables, not just 3 or 4 like before, to build a better model. We are entering a world where everything from tweets to TikTok can be turned into usable data. This process is called datafication, turning messy stuff like text, audio, or image into numbers that machines can understand. Data science often get confused with machine learning and why the lately they not say. Machine learning is about training systems to learn from data, so they can make better decisions in the future. We need more example of spam, and it keeps adjusting rules using methods like Bayesian filtering. Another example, when you apply for credit card, a neural network might decide if you are approved or not. But remember, machines are good at finding patterns. They still need human judgment to make sure that patterns actually make sense. Another thing, people throw around the word prediction a lot, but there's a difference between predicting and a forecast. Prediction, it you learn tomorrow. Forecast, there's a 40% chance of rain. See, forecast gives a range of outcomes that are more honest, because the future is messy. So when people say predictive analytics, they usually mean forecast. Fun fact, we don't make weather prediction, we make weather forecast. That's different. Machine learning systems usually run in 2 main ways. Supervised learning. You give it labeled data, inputs and correct outputs, like teaching a kid math with answer key. Example, spam filters, credit card approval systems. And supervised learning. You give it data but no answer. It has to find patterns by itself. Example, clustering, where the machine groups similar things together, like grouping custom into type. Or factor analysis, which tries to discover hidden relationships in the data. No one's telling you what to look for, it just explore. So what is data scientists? They are digital detectives, creative coders, math geeks with superpower. They make sense of our noisy, messy, ridiculous data fluid world and help us see what's coming next. Whether it's stopping the next pandemic, commenting your next favorite song, or even helping how to pick the next board buzz. Data science everywhere and it's only getting bigger.